Hey there, Drill Riders. Today I'm going to walk you through the new 3D models and how you access those. So I'm going to start a new show today. We're just going to name this Test Show for funsies. We're going to give ourselves 15 performers. I'm not going to add any music, and high school field is just fine. We're going to add ourselves a wins section with 5 people. They're going to be colored blue. We're going to add ourselves a guard section with 5 people. And you know what? We're going to color them, they're not blue, like purple. All right, and then we're going to add a percussion section. And then we're going to give them 5 people. We now have met our performers tally. We're going to make them green. All right. Now, here's where we add it. So we're going to add our instrument section. So in the winds, we're going to have a flute. The symbol is going to be flute, FL. There's going to be 5 of them, group flutes. Okay, under this visual drop down here, this is where we're going to access this. If we drop this down, we have 2 visual styles. We have standard. This is the cylinders that you've seen in the other videos. That just the standard cylinder, it's colored the color of the section, or the realistic. Right now, the only model we have is this standard marcher, but we are working on having individual models for the individual instruments and guard performers that you may have. Watch for that in future updates. But we're going to go ahead and have the standard marcher. We can minimize that. We're going to go ahead and add, a guard member. So we'll say rifle. We want them to be weapons line, 5 rifles, percussion, snares, or snare, S for snares, and we're going to have 5 of them, snares. Okay, now that we have our show set up, I'm just going to hit finish setup, and then you'll see these new performers and models out on the field. You can see they're still colored. You can see them, you can select them, move them around just like before. They snap to the grid. Just gives you a little bit of a better visual appeal as you're designing the show, that you can see kind of, they look like people rather than just simply dots. Looking from the top down, you do have kind of that profile view, but you're still able to select, move around, snap them to the grid, rotate them, so you can rotate which way they're facing. And like I said, we are going to be working on, we do have somebody modeling the additional models, so watch for those in future updates. Thanks, everybody.